Alright, today we're reacting to Uncle... What the fuck is wrong with my mouth? Uncle Roger reviews insane anime cooking. Food Wars, let's go. I hope I don't get copyright striked for this. You know what? Whatever happens, happens. I like anime.
Uncle Roger has many virgin nieces and nephews who like anime. So today, Uncle Roger gonna review anime cooking. Food Wars Shokugeki no Soma. They're making fancy rice dish in this episode. Let's see how they do.
And then they went into like the whole zone thing.
Is she the food critic? So this girl gonna judge the food? She the sexy anime version of Uncle Roger. Why everybody so scared? You just cooking,
Anytime I see a redhead in anime, I'm like, that's Shiro Emiya from Fate. And yeah, Fate Stay Night, my favorite anime. The entire series. In fact, I have a list of how you should watch it. That is how into it I am. And Gilgamesh, the best character. He may have killed a child, but you know what? It's fine. He did it in a badass way.
Cool. God tongue? Uncle Roger got God tongue also. But I don't just use it on food. No, I don't mean dirty like that, niece and nephew. Uncle Roger also like to use my God tongue on Japanese snack because this video is sponsored by Boxu. Premium Japanese snack subscription service that work with family business all over Japan. Japan is land of the best snack, but it's so hard to get outside that country. Until Boxu come along and then they send one box to you every month. This month's theme is limited edition, celebrating the famous cherry blossom season in Japan.
Okay, that box is really pretty though. Like, extremely pretty. I really like that pink box. Like, I want that pink box, but not for the food, just because the box is pretty.
Look at how many snacks there are. It's almost overflowing. Uncle Roger just made myself some genmaicha brown rice tea that come from this snack box also. Which one we gonna try first? Look at this one. It's so cute. White chocolate and strawberry. It's light and crunchy. Little snack with seaweed on it. So good for you. Feel like I transported back to Japan. This is Sakura mochi. And if you like basic snacks like potato chip, guess what? Boxu have potato chip also. For you. Is this mukbang or ad read? Go order some delicious Japanese snack right now and you get to support Uncle Roger channel also. Click link in description and use code Uncle Roger to get $15 off your first Boxu order. Let's go back to video.
This scene is so dumb. This is one of the reasons why I dropped the anime. Look at this stupid shit. This is so dumb.
What the baby said that? That's the most annoying baby ever. Hiya, complaining about your mom's breast milk. Unlike this baby, Uncle Roger never complained before when there's tit in my mouth.
Nobody should.
Sorry, children. This professional food critic, why is she dressed like schoolgirl? Why? That's what real food critic look like. Middle-aged, little bit frumpy. Why got food critic dressed up like schoolgirl?
Anime. Only in anime. Only in anime.
A cool move? Uncle Roger gonna practice that knife move? Next time I film video, you will see Uncle Roger only got 9 fingers left.
This boy.
Soma, okay. Fire good? See, you and anime cooking, don't use induction stove. Spring onion. How much spring onion you need? Like, he's still chopping. You listen to background? Some kind of broth, okay?
The eyes open, you know shit's about to get real.
One hand crack, not bad. Beating egg with chopstick, good. That's the Asian way. Asian people, we never use whisk. Whisk, the most useless kitchen appliance. You put whisk inside drawer.
I fucking agree with him. The whisk is so annoying. The whisk is so annoying. He's about to say it. I know, I've seen this before. But the whisk is so annoying. You put it in drawer, pull it out, get stuck. So stupid. Anywho, I use a fork to mix the eggs, but still, the whisk is so annoying.
What happened? Now the drawer cannot open. Chopstick won't betray you like that. Why so many shots of her skirt? Is this cooking video or only fan?
May as well be both, actually.
Ice bath? What are you making? What? Rice with seasoning? For this food critic? She got tongue? Transforming seasoning. I hope he mean MSG? Wait. Who that creepy guy? Just hiding in cabinet, spying on two Japanese schoolgirls. Hiya. Don't hide in cupboard, spying on young girl like this. That's how Uncle Roger got banned from H&M.
Nice.
Everything's so dramatic. Everything they do suddenly close up of their eyeball. Why? Is this an anime thing?
Yes, actually, and artists love the fucking eyes. And you know what? Honestly, I'm not against that. Eyes can be so pretty. Like, my timeline on Twitter, there's so much art that's just eyes. And artists are amazing at drawing eyes. And I love it. I'm not gonna lie. I like each and every one of those posts. But I just also love art in general. My bank account is so low because of art. Anyways, you guys didn't need to know that.
Just chopping vegetable and then suddenly...
Oh, it's so true. Second-rate cook? Uncle Roger didn't know Jamie Oliver in this anime also. Emotional damage!
神の舌とまで呼ばれる味覚を持つ私の食卓には税と思考を凝らした高級品だけが並ぶ。こんなものを出すなんて。
この品の本当の姿はこれからなのに。
どういう意味かしら。卵の影に何か。
Hiding beneath egg? Who? The creepy guy, is it?
まあ見てなよ。ふりかけの進化は白米の上でこそでしょ。さて、仕上げだ。
Now you're just wasting food. What that square thing? Is that jello? Oh, he putting on rice. Okay.
ご飯の熱で溶けて。溶けると同時に卵が次々とコーティングされていく。
Huh.
これが化けるふりかけご飯。
Rice with transforming seasoning. So even rice can be trans nowadays? Trans rice is rice.
さっきまでと見栄えが。
It look completely different from before. No, it don't. It's just rice with sauce on it. Are you blind, woman?
こしなさい。
You don't understand. It does look different. It's anime. It went from white to yellow. It's different. Okay. Alright, cool. Cool. Now that we've established that.
Just rice with sauce on it. Are you blind, woman? Spring onion. Oh, he chopped a whole chop of spring onion earlier and then just used one handful. Finally, she tasting.
My humor's dead.
What? Did she just orgasm? What? She coming from just egg and rice? What gonna happen if she eat ramen? Her pussy gonna explode? This is so unrealistic. If women come so easily, my ex-wife Auntie Helen would still be with me. Aspic. Listen, nephew, aspic is broth, cool down, and then make into jello form. And by the way, aspic also Uncle Roger's favorite type of picture to receive. Chicken wing bonito and soy sauce give the broth umami taste, and sake give it bit of sweetness. All very common broth ingredient, but it's not gonna make woman come. It's just normal broth. Uncle Roger, 52-year-old now. I never see woman come from soup.
From soup. He should watch the rest of the fucking show then. Isn't there like... I can't remember, but it's so ridiculous, the rest of... Gosh.
So the hot rice melt the
She has
aspic.
no right to look like Asuna.
Umami
No
of chicken,
right.
good. So he don't need MSG for this one. Got good umami already.
And he has no right to look like Shiro.
She coming again.
Yeah. Maybe not look, but to remind me of those characters from animes I actually enjoy.
Just rice with broth.
I hate it so much.
Where the feta come from? She coming a third time now? What? Wait, who this creepy baby? And why they attacking her? Stop! Stop! Don't show this to people. This for children. No, stop! Hiya! No, so dirty. Uncle Roger trying to run family-friendly channel. This anime is supposed to be for children. How can show this kind of shit? What is this?
Anime for children is the biggest
It's not
lie.
aspic. This
anybody has
LSD,
ever-
I think this
ever
guy
told.
put some drug in her food. Did you just Bill Cosby this woman?
Shit.
This not egg fried rice, this egg spike rice. This video so dirty,
Egg
Uncle Roger
spike
has to
rice.
put my leg down from chair. Like it's supposed to be just cooking video. How suddenly, what happening?
さあどうだい雪平流ふりかけご飯うまいかまずいか言ってみな
It's disgusting. It made her weaken legs.
Disgusting. Yeah, it's disgusting, correct? This whole video disgusting. Listen, nephew,
I
don't watch
agree.
this anime. It's giving you all the wrong idea.
I
Now you
agree,
think it's
don't
this
watch
easy
it.
to please women. Uncle Roger have many nerdy niece and nephew. Uncle Roger have many nerd...
If you're a horny teenager, you can watch it, but it's so stupid. It's such a dumb anime. Don't knock it till you try it, I guess. I tried it. I'm knocking it. I hate it. I don't hate it. I just dislike it. If you enjoy it, you enjoy it. I don't enjoy it. It's so dumb. It's such a dumb anime. It's so stupid.
Uncle Roger have many virgin.
どうしたの久子物欲しそうな顔をしていえその私の料理を試食する権利が欲しい
Stop this.
いやしい子だこと
Why so sexual like this? You just cooking food for her? Suddenly got roses and shit. Coming just from egg and rice? What gonna happen when you eat ramen? Your pussy gonna explode.
Anyways, this is Dantelios signing out. I feel disgusted. I need a cold shower. Goodbye.